I'm Ava and I'll be doing To a Louse by Robert Burns. Ha! Where ye gone, ye crowlin' fairly? Your impudence protects you sairly. I canna say, but ye strunt rarely our gauze and lace. Though faith, I fear ye dine but sparely on sic a place. Ye ugly, creepin', blasted wonner, detested, shunned by son and sinner, how dare ye set your fit upon her, sae fine a lady? Gae somewhere else and seek your dinner on some poor body. Swith in some beggar's half-it squattle, there ye may creep and sprawl and sprattle, wi' other kindred jumping cattle in shoals and nations, where horn nor bane ne'er door unsettle your thick plantations. Now haud ye there, you're out o' sicht, below the fattrel snug and ticht. Na faith ye yet, ye'll no be richt till ye've got on it, the verra tapmost towering hecht o' Mrs. Bonnet. My sooth, richt bald ye set your nose out, as plump and grey as ony groset. Oh, for some rank mercurial roset, or fell red smedum, I'd gie you sic a hearty doset, wad dress your drawdom. I wadna been surprised to spy you on some auld wife's flainin' toy, or abling some bit duddy boy on his wily coat. But Mrs. Fine Lunardi, fie, how dare ye do it? Oh, Jenny, dinna toss your heed, and set your beauties a breed. Ye little ken what cursed speed that blastie's makin'. They winks and finger ends I dreed are notice takin'. Oh, wad some power the giftie gie us, to see ourselves as others see us. It wad frae mony a blunder free us and foolish notion. What airs and dress and gait wad lee us, and even devotion.